最近、世界の音楽チャートを眺めていて、少し立ち止まりたくなる動きがありました。藤井風さんの死ぬのがいいわが、海外の歌詞サイトジーニアスのジャパンインターナショナルソングスチャートで再び順位を上げ、多くの人が日本語の歌詞そのものを検索し続けています。一度話題になって終わるのではなく、何年も経ってから改めて関心が集まるのは、とても珍しいことです。この曲は2020年のアルバム Help Ever Heart Never に収録された作品ですが、海外では SNS やら、イブ映像をきっかけに少しずつ広がり、言葉の意味を知りたいという人が増えていきました。ただ耳に残るメロディーだからというだけでは説明しきれません。日本語がわからない人まで歌詞を調べ、翻訳を読み比べ、自分なりの受け取り方を探しているところに、この曲の面白さがあります。特に印象的なのは、直訳だけでは伝わらない感情について語り合う人が多いことです。海外のコメントを見ると、言葉よりも声の響きや間の取り方から気持ちを想像したという感想が少なくありません。その後で歌詞を知り、最初に感じた印象と結びつけていく。その順番で作品に近づく人が多いようです。だからこそ、チャートの再浮上は一時的な流行というより、作品との新しい出会いが今も続いていることを示しているように見えます。音楽が国境を越えると言われることはよくありますが、その先で言葉そのものへの興味まで生まれる例は、それほど多くありません。死ぬのがいいわが今も世界で聞き継がれている理由は、メロディーだけではなく、日本語という表現そのものに耳を傾けたくなる力を持っているからなのかもしれません。
Fujikaze Shinoaga Iwa is once again attracting remarkable attention from music fans around the world. Years after its original release, the music continues to prove that lasting music is not defined by trends alone. This time, the spotlight comes from one of the world's largest lyric platforms, where the track climbed another position in the latest international Japanese song ranking. While many songs gradually fade after its initial success, this one continues to inspire listeners to look beyond the melody and explore its meaning. Unlike streaming charts that measure play counts, lyrics again reveal something much deeper. They reflect how many people actively research for the words behind a song instead of simply pressing play and move on. Listeners are asking what the lyrics truly express, what's emotion Fujikaze instead to share, and why the song resonates so strongly despite the language barrier. That curiosity is a powerful sign that a music has created a genuine emotional connection. This is especially significant for that song is performed entirely in Japanese. International listeners are reading translations, comparing anticipation, and discussing substitute expression that cannot always be translated directly. Rather than seeing Japanese as an obstacle, many fans view it as a part of a song's unique beauty, encourage them to discover more about the language and the culture behind the music. The timing of the renewed attention is hardly surprising. Fujikaze has recently been at the center of several major performances that introduce his artistry to even wider audience. Festival appearance, successful concerts, and its international tour have all encouraged new listeners to revisit his earlier work. Many people first encounter his powerful live performance before returning to his catalog, where Shina Iwa often become the song they do not stop thinking about. So, unlike these viral hits that dominate social media for only a few weeks, this track has demonstrated extraordinary staying power. Fans around the world frequently share similar experience online. Some admit they were initially drawn in the unforgettable melody, while others discovered the song through live performance or recommendations from friends. And as they explored the lyrics, many found a richer emotional depth that transformed a favorite song into something personal, meaningful. Discussion often focus on themes and devotion, vulnerability, and unconditional love, showing how music can connect people when they speak different languages. This continued rise is about far more than the chart position. It highlights the rare ability of the songs to remain currently relevant long after its release in an era where music trends change almost overnight. Shin Onowago Iwa continue to grow through genuine appreciation rather than temporary hype.